Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing good. The birthday of Lord Krishna is celebrated as Janmashtami or Gokulashtami, which is on August 30th of this month. The video which you are seeing is how we celebrate it. We prepare three different types of sweets and savories, or 5 each. So today's video is all about a different healthy version of a savory or snack item which I am going to prepare with ragi, that is ragi flakes or ragi ribbon pakoda. So the needed items are, this is ragi flour store bought, which I have taken 2 cups here. For that, 1 cup of rice flour and 1 cup of besan, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon ajwain and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Also you need oil and water. Okay, now we'll start. I'll take a bowl. Let me add besan, rice flour, ragi flour, and to this I'm adding ajwain. Let me crush it a little. Salt, then red chili powder. Now we'll first mix the dry ingredients. Generally on Gokulashtami we used to prepare a lot of items on a single day, that too we fast on that day. So we plan to prepare all simple and easier dishes, at the same time tasty. Now I'll add water little by little. Your dough should not be too tight. It should be a little soft. See, it is almost done here. And at this point of time, I'll be adding some oil. Very little, in fact. Just for time adjustment, I've already kept the oil for heating. And this is hot oil what I'm adding here. See. As I said, when we are preparing a lot of items, side by side we'll be planning like oil, heating the oil or getting ready for the next dish. Simultaneously we'll be working on it. Generally we used to prepare Bakshanam or prashad, whatever you call. We used to prepare three different sweets and 3 different savories, sweets and karam. Otherwise 5. I remember it's a big process in our families when Gokulashtami comes, and till Arghya is given for Krishna, they'll not be giving the prashad to us. So we'll be waiting all the way. Arghya sometimes will be given early in the evening, or sometimes it may even go till midnight, 12 o'clock, and we'll be sitting waiting all the way for this sweets and savories. Now our dough is ready. See, if you press like this, it is happily moving, right? Now this is ready. This is chakli maker or murku. I'm going to take this one. Now just let's brush this with oil. And take some dough here. Now let's check if the oil is hot. Actually it's hot. Just to check, I'll just put a small piece here. So the oil is hot here. So now directly we'll put it in the oil. While directly doing it, please be careful. You cannot get a chutney kind of shape here, but instead you will be getting it as a ribbon pakoda. Can you hear this crispy sound here? It's very easy, very simple, also very healthy, as we are adding ragi here. So here's your healthy ragi flakes ready. I'll give you a closer look. Right. So I'll show how crispy it is. Very simple, tasty yet healthy. In the name of snacks, we can even introduce children to this kind of millet cooking. Particularly ragi is very healthy, and now if you give anything specially made out of ragi, children would not like to eat it. So this way you can give them. Let me taste one for you. It's very crispy again. It's no less than a ribbon pakoda. The taste remains the same. There's not much taste difference in that, and only the color is different here. Unless or until you tell them that it is made of millets, no one can find it out. And simply make this. Give them all the kind of packet junk foods. Instead of that, this is very healthy. Not only for Gokulashtami, you can even try it as a snack and keep it. You can store this for more than a week, and in an airtight container, it stays so good. All the time when your kids eat some fried snack, you can be happy it's still healthy for them. You just give it a try and let me know it in the comment section. And this is for you.